Welcome back. The gunman who killed 6 people at the Wisconsin Gurudwara in the US hated non-whites, and pictures show him posing against the Nazi swastik symbol. Gunman Wade Michael Page's friend has said that he spoke about racial cleansing to his group of friends. The 40-year-old ex-army veteran had possible links with the white supreme racist groups. Wade Michael Page was shot and killed by a police officer in the parking lot of Oak Creek Gurudwara after he wounded another police agent and killed 6 people, and it suggests that he was a frustrated neo-Nazi. India has sought an assurance from the United States over the safety of the Indian community there in the wake of the shooting at a Wisconsin Gurudwara that left 7 people, including the gunman, dead. External Affairs Minister S.M. Krishna has said that he has conveyed India's concerns over the heinous crime to the US Secretary of State Hillary Clinton last night. He also added that the FBI has already swung into action and that Clinton is waiting for the preliminary report.
Could you give us some details about your conversation with Ms. Hillary Clinton last evening?
Yeah, I think late in the night I had the chance to talk to Secretary Clinton, who is touring South Africa, and I have conveyed our concern about the attack and the loss of very precious lives in this heinous crime against a place of religious worship. An assurance to the Indian community has to come out from the Obama administration that their interests are going to be quite safe under the present administration. Secondly, I have also suggested to Secretary Clinton that the places of worship in United States of America, cutting across religious denominations, must be given full protection.
Meanwhile, the Punjab government has said that it will bear the entire expenditure of transporting the bodies of the US Gurudwara shooting victims. Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal, who himself headed to Wisconsin for the wedding function of a cabinet colleague, Surjit Singh Rakra's niece, said that the Punjab government would bear the cost of transporting the bodies to India for the last rites as a mark of respect. Moving on, Assam's Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi announced that his government wants the CBI to probe the ethnic clashes in the state that has left over 70 people dead and over 4 lakh homeless. The announcement comes a day after fresh incidents of violence were reported from Kokrajhar, the epicenter of the riots. The monsoon session of the parliament opening tomorrow promises to kick up a lot of heat and dust as opposition parties are planning to raise issues like communal violence in Assam, rising prices, economy and drought. Seeking to corner the government, BJP has announced plans to raise on the very first day the issue of Assam clashes, which Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has called a blot on the nation. The Assam issue could generate a lot of heat as Congress and the opposition are expected to indulge in charges and counter-charges.
Your statement, what you said.
जो भी मुद्दा विपक्ष उठाना चाहता है सदन में उठाए, हम उसके लिए तैयार हैं। हम हर बहस के लिए तैयार हैं और बहस का जवाब देने के लिए भी तैयार हैं। हम किसी भी मुद्दे को उठाने से रोक नहीं रहे, लेकिन सदन को सुचारू रूप से चलाना चाहिए और हल्ला गुल्ला हंगामा हुड़दंग नहीं होना चाहिए और सदन सुचारू रूप से चले। विपक्ष की हम हर मुद्दे पर बहस के लिए तैयार हैं।
Leader of the opposition, Sushma Swaraj, spoke to Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde and urged him to evacuate pilgrims stranded in Uttarakashi region of Uttarakhand in the aftermath of flash floods there. Flash floods in parts of Uttarakhand on Saturday had left several hundreds of pilgrims stranded at popular religious places of worship. The pilgrims were trapped after the floods wiped out roads, cutting off 80 Uttarakashi villages from the rest of Uttarakhand. The government has decided to seek extension from the Supreme Court of the August 31st deadline for the auction of telecom spectrum following cancellation of 122 licenses earlier this year. The government is expected to ask for time till November to start the auction. The empowered group of ministers on telecom decided to approach the Apex Court to seek an extension of August 31st deadline to complete the auction of airwaves. After Mayawati's controversial parks and memorials, the Akhilesh Yadav government has commissioned a park of its own. While Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has not announced the cost of the park, the government says it will fund the project. The Janeshwar Mishra Park will be built on a 367-acre piece of land, which is 4 times the size of Mayawati's Ambedkar Memorial. Interestingly, the park is coming up at the same site where the Mayawati government had proposed to make the Ambedkar Green Garden. Meanwhile, leaders of BSP protested over the proposal of setting up the new Janeshwar Mishra Park.
आज डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जी के नाम पर स्थापित ग्रीन पार्क का नाम परिवर्तित करके जनेश्वर मिश्र ग्रीन पार्क कर रहे हैं। ये इनका राजनीतिक देश भावना से प्रेरित ये एक इनका जो कारनामा है, बहुजन समाज पार्टी इसका घोर विरोध करती है और साथ ही साथ चेतावनी देती है कि समाजवादी पार्टी सरकार तत्काल डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ग्रीन पार्क का नाम पूर्ववत बहाल करने का काम करे, अन्यथा इस प्रकार का अपमान करती रहेगी तो बहुजन समाज पार्टी इस समाजवादी पार्टी सरकार को नाको दम भर देगी। बाबा साहब डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जिनका सम्मान भारतवर्ष के साथ साथ पूरा विश्व करता है, उनका नाम बदल करके जनेश्वर मिश्र जी या किसी और का अगर किया जाता है तो हम बाबा साहब डॉक्टर अंबेडकर का अपमान नहीं सहेंगे और अपने पार्टी के अनुशासन के दायरे में रह करके जितना हो सकेगा उतना उसका विरोध करेंगे, उसकी उतना निंदा करेंगे।
The Delhi police have said that a key minister in the Haryana cabinet, who was named by 23-year-old Geetika Sharma in her suicide note, is not missing and that he will be called in as and when they collect all information in the case. Geetika's family, meanwhile, has alleged that the minister was threatening to file a case against Geetika and also forged letters to malign her while she was in Dubai. The police, in the meanwhile, have said that they will question Kanda's close aides and in doing so zero in on him. They added that they know of his whereabouts in Gurgaon and it is just a matter of days before he is brought in.
ये केस में अभी तक हमने कुछ एविडेंस वगैरह कलेक्ट किया है। उनका फैमिली मेंबर्स, बाकी उनका पड़ोसी है, वहाँ पर कौन कौन इसका रिलेटेड है, उसी सभी से पूछताछ किया गया अब तक और उनका लैपटॉप और सेलफोन डिटेल में भी काम कर रहे हैं, कॉल डिटेल्स वगैरह एनालाइज कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा कल पोस्टमार्टम हो चुका है, वी आर अवेटिंग द रिपोर्ट और बाकी पूरा एफएसएल के लिए भी सब
वो मेल गोपाल गोयल कांडा ने अपने पावर को मिसयूज करके गुड़गांव एसएचओ के लेटर पैड पे वो उसने मेल एमिरेट्स में किया था जिससे कि मेरी वैन टर्मिनेट हो जाए।
उस मेल में क्या था?
उस मेल में ये था कि इस लड़की ने MDLR के साथ एक फ्रॉड किया है जो कुछ नहीं था। और उसके जब वो उनकी वहाँ पे बोर्ड मीटिंग हुई, जब मुझे गीतू ने पूरा वर्ड टू वर्ड बताया था इन पर्सन जब वो यहाँ आई थी, उसने ये बोला कि उस पूरे पैनल ने बोला था हमें पता है ये पेपर्स फ्रॉड हैं पर फिर भी ये आपका इंडिया का मामला है, हम दुबई में सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, आप ये सॉल्व करके आइए। फिर हम आपको उन्होंने उससे टर्मिनेट भी नहीं किया था बिकॉज शी वाज सो परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल देयर।
बहुत गहरा दुख है कि वो एक हमारी एम्प्लॉय थी और आज वो कंपनी में नहीं थी 1.5-2 महीने से, पर काफ़ी टाइम कंपनी में रही है। तो आपको अपने एक मतलब कंपनी के एम्प्लॉय के साथ जो दुख होता है वो बहुत पूरे परिवार को, उनके परिवार की तरह ही मेरे पूरे परिवार को बहुत गहरा सदमा लगा है इस बात का। और जो उन्होंने ये काम किया, जो सुसाइड किया, इसके पीछे क्या राज है, कैसे किया, कैसे 2-2 नोट 3-3 महीने पहले उसने सुसाइड के लिखे या लिखवाए गए या क्या प्लानिंग है, ये मुझे इसके बारे में
Another short break now. Stay with us.